Friends, IndiGo didn't just fall today. It crashed. And whenever the biggest airline in India tumbles this sharply, it's never a small reason. Today's move has major implications not only for aviation stocks, but also for broader market sentiment. Let's break down exactly what happened and what traders must understand. What triggered IndiGo's crash? IndiGo's fall started with a combination of negative factors hitting the stock at the same time. First, rising aviation turbine fuel (ATF) prices continue to pressure margins. Even a 1 to 2% rise in global crude directly impacts airline operating costs, and IndiGo is no exception. Second, the airline's latest commentary hinted at weak load factors and lower than expected forward bookings. When guidance gets softer, markets react instantly. Third, competition in the aviation space is intensifying. New routes, aggressive pricing, and capacity expansion from rivals are squeezing yields. This creates fear that IndiGo's profitability may weaken in the upcoming quarters. And finally, today's broader market weakness in Bank Nifty and Nifty added additional selling pressure, turning a regular correction into a deeper intraday crash. Aviation sector impact. Whenever IndiGo falls this sharply, the entire aviation sector feels the heat. Traders start questioning sector stability. Rising ATF, a weaker rupee, and softening global travel demand create a tricky environment for all airline companies. A weaker rupee means airlines spend more on dollar-denominated leasing costs and maintenance. Higher crude leads to immediate margin tightening. And if demand cools even slightly, airlines cannot push ticket prices aggressively. Today's IndiGo crash has shaken confidence across aviation stocks, and short-term volatility in the entire sector may continue until crude stabilizes or IndiGo issues a stronger operational update. What traders should do? Bro, if you're a short-term intraday trader, wait for clear stability signals before entering. A falling knife setup like this can trap aggressive dip buyers. If you're a swing trader, watch for support retests, volume reversal, and crude price action. If crude cools down, the aviation pack can bounce sharply. And if you're a long-term investor, this fall may become an opportunity. But only if fundamentals remain intact and IndiGo continues its strong operational dominance. This is Wealth Maama, simplifying today's market action. IndiGo's crash is big, but the reasons are clear. The next few sessions will tell us whether this was just a panic drop or the start of something deeper.